What's going on, y'all? Today, I will be going over how to set up emails for your wellness brand, okay? So this is a wellness brand I have. It has about a decent amount of subscribers, but we're going to start off today with the recipients, right? So I do not usually choose all newsletters, okay? You guys want to avoid this after you start sending out a lot of emails because you're going to have people who have never even interested in opening your emails, right? And if you keep sending to that, what it's going to do is lower your open rate, click rate, and it's going to start putting you in spam folders a lot more, right? So you want to exclude those people. So what I did was make a pretty much never active tab and whoever's unengaged. So usually after 10 emails are sent, if they've never even opened them, I try to stop sending to them, okay? And what I'm going to do is send to like an engaged list of, people who have engaged within the last 120 days, potential purchasers, repeat buyers, actually. Yep. And so you see right here, I make sure I include tracking parameters, and that pretty much allows for, the Klaviyo to pick up on your analytics and stuff like that. All right. So we're going to start off with a subject line, right? So here's what I did. They love flow, ... What this does is leave the audience with like curiosity. So they kind of want to see, why do people love flow, right? And then very important, you guys need to definitely start adding preview text, like no matter what you do. So I always usually try to put what I'm actually really trying to talk about here in the preview text. So I got, don't miss out on our biggest gummy sale so far. Simple, right? So they see the curiosity, then they see like the value. There's a sale, there's a discount going on. Sender name, super important. Sender email address, right? So usually these are together, are the same, usually the same thing. But here I just changed it to VIP@flowessentials.com. So it kind of makes them feel special when they open it up. And if they were to reply for like customer service purposes, it would go to this right here where I have my virtual assistant on the customer service taking care of this, right? So we're going to open this up and I'll show you guys exactly what I use and why I put these stuff, these blocks here. So all through it, we got the logo. Super important. Make sure people know who they're shopping with, right? Brand identity. I always usually put like a headline up here. So free shipping on all orders. That's something that we offer 24/7, right? It's never anything special. It's just always free shipping. So I always put that up there. Sometimes I might put like sale ends at midnight. It just depends, right? So always put something valuable up here. And then this image I actually created on Canva. I am not a graphic designer. I'm pretty sure you guys could come up with something a lot better. I did this within minutes, right? So this is just a picture from our Instagram. What I did was put a title, save big on sea moss gummies for a limited time. And I actually turned this into a GIF, right? So this captures people's attention, right? Use code YUMMY10. Very simple call to action with a shop now button, and discounts will reflect at checkout, right? Just giving them a heads up. So yeah, very simple. It's a GIF. You guys could put GIFs in here. You can't put videos. You can put images and GIFs in here. Very simple text. So this text allows, Klaviyo picks up on this, and what they do is they try to make sure it's not spammy. So when you add text, it's a less chance that it's going to be in a spam folder, right? And once again, I reiterate the YUMMY10, the code. We saved your seat. Hurry, this party won't last long, right? So just giving them the idea that, you need to shop now. So very simple call to action. Button takes them to the actual product page, save now. And then here's super important right here. So I put a title that says "Hear from our happy customers," right? So this is just more social proof, right? These are actually user generated content that we've got from customers and just people we worked with in the past, of them holding the gummies with 2 reviews, right? So this is super important. I can now honestly say I look forward to sea moss in the morning. And then I put reasons why they should trust us, right? With the badge, Sezzle, buy now, pay later, text alert, super important that just in case you're on our email list and not on our text list, you could join social media links right here. And that is really it right there. So hopefully this works. I'll talk to you guys later.